So let's get your seat installed. We're going to install your infant car seat base using the latch system. Okay, lower anchors, tethered. The little hooks, anchors, will go on until you hear those clicks. Now you want your lower anchors to be facing downward. You don't want them facing up. Okay? The safest spot for your infant is in the middle seat of your vehicle. If for any instance you are not able to install a car seat in the middle spot, behind the driver is the second best spot, or where the seat will fit best without touching the front seat and jeopardizing the integrity of the seat, car seat for the driver. After you get the lower anchors attached, you want to make sure that you pull it nice and taut. We don't want our baby riding in the car seat this way, correct? So we're going to pull the lever, placing pressure down on the belt and pulling up. As you pull up, you're going to notice that the seat is tightening. I'm going to push up against the seat and tighten the belt. Slowly, slowly tightening. What we're looking for is that the seat does not move more than an inch either way. And there you go. Now let's do it with the seat belt. Stabilizing the car seat base with a seat belt. You're going to pull some slack on for your seat belt. Hold it nice and taut so that it doesn't twist and turn as you're manipulating the seat belt. You're going to go through the seat belt path. And it says place under here. So you're going to tuck the seatbelt under this little lip and slide it in to your seatbelt. Again, pulling the slack so that your seatbelt doesn't move, and drawing out to retract your top seatbelt. And again, what's important is we don't want the seatbelt to move more than an inch left or right. So here I'm going to tighten your seatbelt by pulling the top so that the bottom of the seatbelt is nice and tight, and pulling the top and letting it retract slowly in. And there you go. My seatbelt doesn't move more than an inch either way. Once you have your base properly installed, you're ready for your ride. What if you don't have a base to install your car seat with? What if someone else is picking up your baby for you? Well, you can install your car seat without the base using the belt packs on the car seat. Same method as using the base. You want to pull your seatbelt out and get some slack. You're going to slide the bottom base of the seatbelt through the belt pack, and again, click it securely into the seatbelt. Again, pull the slack of the top seat. Make sure your seatbelt is nice and retracted. And again, the seat doesn't move more than an inch left or right. And your baby is just as safe to be transported. Once baby is nice and secure, you're ready for your ride. Make sure with any installation, you have checked your car manual and your car seat manual for the best position and spot for your car seat.